Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I'm Dr. Mohanathanari. This channel fully focused on the biostatistics data analysis and data visualization related on video post on this channel. If you like the channel videos, click to the subscription button and support to me join to our channel membership. Let's go to the video. Now we are the discuss topic how to draw a Poincare plot in OriginPro software. So what is a Poincare plot? Okay, the Poincare plot in the biological sense. The Poincare plot, also known as a written maps, are powerful tool in biological science for analyzing time series data and understanding the complex physiological process. The guide explore how to use the Poincare plot in various biological applications, particularly focusing on the constructions, interpretation, and practical usages in research and clinical practice. A Poincare plot is a scatter plot where each point represents a pair of consecutive value in the time series. Specifically, if you have a sequence of the data point x1, x2, x3, etc. and xn, the plot is constructed by the plotting xi plus 1 for I is equal to 1 to n minus 1. In biological science, those plots are often used to analyzing biological signals such as rate variability, HRV, the respiratory cycle, and their time depend to the biological measurement. So this is for the time for seconds data, and this is for the RR interval milliseconds, the heart rate variability data set. So the data set import to the OriginPro software. So the data already entered in the OriginPro software. The log name for the time and RR interval, the unit for seconds and milliseconds. This is for the Poincare plot. How to install the Poincare plot? Go to the OriginPro website. This link mentioned to the video description box. So the login the website and download for the Poincare plots. So the how to install for the Poincare plots, the download Poincare plots file and then track and trap into the OriginPro WhatsApp. An icon will appear in the app gallery window. So this is icon will appear in the app gallery window. So the click to the Poincare plot. Okay, open the new tab for the Poincare plot. The recalculate method is selected for the manually and the data column selected from the worksheet. So this is selected for the time and the RR interval data selected. Okay, the confidence interval for the plotting ellipse, the 0.95 is a standard. So then click to the OK button. Now the created for the Poincare plot, the map of the time in the OriginPro software. So this is for the data column. Okay, the time for I, this is a time for I, and this is for the time I plus 1. So this is a data y is equal to x starting value minus 0.8 and end of the value 8.8 in the cx2 and y2 column. So then ex3 for the y is equal to 2 into mean value for the x3 and y3, the starting value for the 1.3 and the y3 is a 7.7, the starting value, and end of the value for the rating, the 7.7 and 1.3. So the next one for the pre-conference, the data, and standard one is equal to the 0. The starting value for the 11.20343 and the end of the value, so the 11.20, the 343, they are also the same, the data. So the next of all for the, this is for the Poincare plot in the OriginPro software. So the what is the standard deviation 1 and standard deviation 2? So the standard deviation 1 is a measures of the depression of point perpendicular to the line of the identity y is equal to x. It reflects the short time variability. So the standard deviation st1 is equal to short time variability, and st2 is a standard deviation 2. The measure the depressions along the line of identity, the reflects a long term variability. So this is for the long term variability and this is for short term variability. So the short term variability, the value for the standard deviation 0 and long term variability and standard deviation 2 is equal to 3.873. So now the customized for the Poincare map time plot in the OriginPro software. So the select for the dots and double click, open the new tab for the plot details. This is for the change to the shape of the symbol. So and the change to the color. If you want any color, change to the plot. So select the green color and the transparency reduce to the 0, then apply. And increase for the size for the symbol 8. Okay. Then the double click for the line. The width change to the 4. Okay, this is for the value in the y2 mean, x value for the 5.902 and y2 into mean x 3.092 value, and this is for the row of the perpendicular ellipse the value, the x value for the point the mentioned to the mouse. So the move the value for the x value 3.24 and the y value 3.24 also the same. So the move for the mouse and the value for the mentioned for the row perpendicular the ellipse for the x and the y value. So the click to the double click the ellipse and the change to the width 4. Then click to OK and select the whole the plot. Change to the time font for the time Roman and font size. Font size change to the 22. And also the XHS change to the font. Okay, this is for the Poincare plot in OriginPro, the draw a plot and the calculation method. If you any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box. And the Poincare plot in usage and application in biological science, the full detail explained for the our biostatistics blackerpost.com, the link mentioned to the video description box, and the data source file upload for our telegram channel. If you want the Poincare plot the template file, I will upload for the template file in our telegram channel. If you want the template file, please visit our telegram channel and download the template file for the Poincare plot. And if you like this channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you.